Welcome to this final video, where I'll give you the last instructions and show you the final page. On the settings page, you'll find your account configurations, notification email settings, license payment options, and, finally, information about the software version. Let's take a look at the section dedicated to email notifications. From here, thanks to a simple interface, you can enable or disable the emails you receive, depending on the configuration of your pages. It's easy to see where each email comes from, thanks to the clear association between names, icons, and their corresponding pages. For example, Email Invite Dojo refers to the Dojo page and indicates that you'll receive an email notification each time you send or receive an invitation to the Dojo. Alright, that's all for this section. Let's now go back to the settings page. The subscription page, which we covered in a previous video. As the final section, you'll find information about the software version and related details. Final note, everything you've seen in these tutorials is meant to guide you in using Dojo-On correctly. The system is designed to perform at its best, but occasional bugs or anomalies may occur. Don't worry. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us improve. You can report any issues through the support chat or by writing to support@dojo-on.com. We recommend proceeding as follows. For visual bugs, error messages, or non-functional pages, take a screenshot and send it via email. For malfunctions or clarifications, please use the chat instead. We wish you a great training session. See you soon.